I look at that puppy. So question number one, Milton, why are you showing your cars to the YouTube audience? I'm doing this because I'm just grateful I have these cars, you know, and the family. Um, I like these cars. And this dog too. So question number two, Milton, will you pet the dog? Yes, we will pet the dog. So here's my hand, and I'm walking towards the dog. I let him smell me first, and then I pet him. As you can see, his tail's wiggling a little bit. Here we go. That means he's happy. So once again, I'll pet the dog. Here's my hand, and I'll get close to him, and I'll pet him. And you see he's a big dog. Probably weighs about 140 pounds. Um, and more pictures of the car. So question number three is saying, Milton, are you kind of so disappointed you didn't get a phone this Christmas? A little bit. Should have this. I'm a little bit disappointed, but you know, I was prepared for this feeling, and I really wanted a brand new phone. Anything over 120 bucks with Sprint, Verizon, or AT&T, T-Mobile, with Metro PCS, but it's okay. Um, I'll get through this. So first questions I answered was, Milton, why are you showing cars? Because I want to share the experience. Second question was, Milton, will you pet the dog? So I did. I pet the dog. And third question was if I was disappointed because I didn't receive my Christmas phone. And it's okay. I said I was prepared for this feeling. So still got these guys running around.